Hey you guys, it's Aria from Team Transformation, and as always, I'm here in New York City, right? Bringing all of our good tips, tricks, and everything else from Team Transformation to all of our bloggers, our online entrepreneurs. And I just wanted to tell you that I'm walking in the subway right now, getting totally inspired by this woman with a beautiful voice. Now, at Team Transformation, we always say that you never know when your next surprise is coming. You never know what inspiration is waiting for you around the corner. So I just turned the corner and ran into this beautiful, beautiful woman with an amazing voice. So I just want to share it with you guys really quick because it's just inspired me to get out there and continue building, continue growing my art, right? Continue working on my craft. This woman is out here in the subway sharing her beautiful voice with everyone. So let's just walk and check her out. Okay, this is no joke. So I'm gonna flip the camera and make sure that you guys can see what I'm seeing.